Well, next time it's your turn to pick, we'll go prison.
No, I'm talking about your specific map.
Oh, fuck it. 1 minute generals to die there.
So,
Got at least one team. Let me drop.
yeah, I got stuck in the air. I got a Mini 14.
Yeah, so do I. I was dangling above it for so long. Oh shit.
What?
Was that you shooting at me?
No.
Jeremy, was that you?
No.
I'm not even close to you guys.
That was Jeremy. Were you on these lower tanks, Jeremy, or no?
Yeah. No, not those. Sorry, I thought you were talking about something else.
Alright. Someone was up here, there's nothing here.
There are two guys over by me.
Yep, I see him.
I do not have. Oh wow. Nice, Donald. Was that the two guys in that building?
That's one with another one running over there. Like straight ahead of me, to your left. Your right, my left. Oh shit.
I hit him.
Where is he? Is he in the building?
No, they're outside.
Wait, a few.
There's a careful guy coming up on you.
Knocked one of them out with a 194, actually.
There's a lot over there, Kevin.
That's an impressive feat.
I know there is. And they all have better guns than I have.
I don't know where they went.
The building right next to me that I'm standing below. Somebody inside of it. I hear them running.
You're up on the second floor.
I'm kind of waiting for them to drop.
You know what? Kevin can keep them distracted. I could pull a shard on them. Jeremy, pull a shard on them.
What am I doing?
Going up behind on top, the very top of the building.
Oh, that area.
Yeah.
I don't know how to get there.
Walk up the support beam.
Yeah, I know what it is. I don't know where. Oh god. There's a few of them up there.
Alright, I'll try it. You guys can keep them distracted. And not die. And here's their bike.
I'm down.
Kevin, can you get Jeremy? Are they in that building?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could be fucked. They're in this building too.
Wait, the building I'm in?
Oh, fuck me.
They're not in the building I'm in, but they're about to be. Here they come.
Up, I see him. He's hurting. Oh, one of them knows I'm up here. Kevin, one ran to your right. Oh, I see that guy. One's also behind the building.
God dang it.
Great.
My bad, Jeremy.
Oh, there's two teams here.
There you go. I've got an energy drink. That's it. There you go.
Sucker. There is still more people here. Where is he?
One of them went running around the wall and just took off towards the red zone. Oh, shit! He's right around the wall. Right where I was at. There's a dead body there. He's running. Son of a bitch.
Got him.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Not
there
have
was,
the health for a shootout.
Two there, so there might be some health in what Henry. Alright, I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Whew.
So I did have a mini 14 on.
So we killed
You didn't
4
have
of
any
them.
men. Ooh, this guy does.
So there could be at least 2 more people here. Did you kill anyone, Jeremy?
Nope.
Shard's idea worked. Oh, thank you, Shard. You're a genius. Do they have any extra 5.56? Kevin might. you probably took that for.
Yeah, I don't have a ton.
You check all their stuff.
Yep.
Alright.
You guys are still fighting out here?
Finished off most of them.
Nice.
Kevin, did you kill anybody?
I did not.
All right, so there could still be at least 2 more people here, Jeremy. There was 2 teams. Actually, that guy I shot, he went straight down.
There was a dude.
I'm
Kevin
pretty sure
Sullivan
some of
north.
them like just ran away.
I mean,
Because that one, like that's where those 2 guys were going. You know, killed each other. But so there's nothing in there, Jeremy. I already raided that building. Oh, do you have a silencer for your Mini 14 now?
Yeah.
God damn.
I picked it up when I dropped and I've just been carrying it around.
nice.
So you've got a Scar and a Mini 14. You're fucking sick.
Yeah, it's just no optics.
Yeah, same here. I mean, I might not have.
Donald, are you gonna run with Jeremy, or you just?
Where are you at, Jeremy?
He took the fuck off.
Running down the road.
Oh, I'm looking for the other people.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
We'll
they're
find
either
them eventually.
they're either dead from like the other team, or they left.
I might have 4 kills already.
I might have 0. Not going out though. With a win of all things.
Yeah. The other team probably finished him off.
There is a van parked here. Not sure if it's natural.
Oh wait, there was a bike up here. I'll pick you up. Hey, the frying pan even has numbers on the targets.
Oh, somebody just pulled up on a motorcycle.
Uh-oh.
Shoot him in the face.
Yeah,
Ah!
Birdie didn't. You'd be shooting yourself in the foot if you did that. Alright. Where's
Support that bike?
right over here.
All right, Jeremy, don't get on if Donald's driving.
I guess we'll go over here. Whoa. Go to my marker. Don't get us killed.
Hey, red zone. Come on.
Boy. Get us out of here.
Put your markers in the red zone.
We'll get to a building. Drive right up those steps. Boom, 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 boom. You need an assault rifle?
Car
Jeremy?
98 right here.
Ooh, car 98.
I'll take that. Because I have no ammo for my win. Okay, I take the scope off now. Here, Jeremy, you can have my 1556 round.
I'm okay.
I have
I distracted
390.
you just long enough for me to grab the 8x.
What? Do you have a
I'm just kidding.
4x?
I don't have any X. Hey, we went right where we needed to be.
Really?
Dead center almost.
Damn. Going over to these tanks. Probably
Let's
gonna
go to
die.
the big old buildings here.
Big old titties.
Tickle
biggies.
bitties.
It's a 2x at least.
Yeah, better than nothing.
I don't need that. Jeremy, do you want an extended quick draw for your mini?
Sure. Since you're using a car.
Probably gonna get shot at up here. Here's some more 556.
Oh, there's some fire going on.
Is it at you?
It wasn't at me, but it was I definitely heard it close.
Yeah. I think it came from the west.
Close enough that he's running.
It's more like I wanted to be closer to Donald in case something happens.
There's 556 out here on the tanks. If you can get to it.
Unless you want me to get shot at.
Well, I can't carry it. Ooh, an M4. Fuck you, bandages. Frag grenade. I have way too much ammo.
There we go. That's decent.
What you got now?
Just more ammo.
VSS.
Ooh, a VSS.
I might take that just for the fact that it has a scope on it.
And it's silenced.
Though it's not very strong.
Yeah, but what do you have for your car 98?
Red dot.
Extended
Yeah,
mag
exactly.
case.
Oh. See if I find anything. If not,
I'd pick up that VSS. Don't.
Jeremy, I'm scared.
Should be.
Another mini.
Whoa. Take the ammo.
You guys are,
2x.
there's a 2x. So now you have a 2x for your car 90.
Yep.
And Jeremy has a 2x for his mini. You guys are freaking sniping pros now.
Do you need any 7.62 for anything, Jeremy?
Nope, Jeremy uses 5.5.
I don't need 300. I'm dropping 100.
You never know, man. Felt like you needed to pick up anything else.
Meds.
Yeah, there's definitely gunfire coming from Impala, so
Nades.
and there still is.
Oh, you guys are kind of far apart.
Take the scenic route.
Yeah, Jeremy, stay close for now.
Does that chimney have a gun? Ah!
Yes, it does. that's not what I wanted. That.
Are you gonna come down here, bro?
I'm checking this building real quick.
If I get down, I'm fucked.
Why did you run so far ahead?
Because there wasn't anything left over there. And we needed to get more centralized.
Of course, I can't get up that way. Gotta run all the way around. Where is the crate at? Right there. This pan skin, everyone's guaranteed to shoot only at the pan.
Exactly. Even if they're in front of you.
Yes.
Do you know how to bend a bullet? Oh, we didn't need to come down here. Well,
Great. Maybe we can find an optics in the next minute.
I think we'll just have to forget about optics and hope we get a dead body close enough to us.
Check this building. Alright,
Donald finds
finds nothing.
he's lying to you, Jeremy. I'm watching him.
I knew it. He has two 8Xs. He's just hanging onto them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a vehicle.
I'm coming, Jeremy.
I'm getting to a good building to camp out on.
Not like running across here. Across here one bit.
Alright, I'm gonna throw a smoke grenade so you know which building I'm in.
Your name's above it.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Yoda Freak is playing Player Unknown.
Who knew?
See if I see anybody running this way. I don't see anybody running this way.
Where you going, Donald?
I'm gonna try and get in the spot.
You're gonna try and expose yourself like a crazy person.
Fuck, I almost got stuck.
Well, there's definitely a vehicle somewhere
Yeah, I'm coming in.
around you guys. You
This
guys are not
is-
out inside circle anymore.
Oh,
Oh, great. Well, we'll just hang out here till we need to move. It's like 5 feet to our right.
I was gonna head in, but okay. Keep an eye out towards the edge of the blue.
Oh, I am.
Definitely shots coming from over there.
Yeah, I see somebody to the 215, but he's too far away for me to hit. Also, I can't shoot out this window. I can only look out it.
Oh yeah, he's running to that truck over there.
Yep. And he's driving the truck.
Why can't you shoot out that window?
It's too high up.
Oh.
See?
Oh, I'm looking at Donald. My bad.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, Donald, because he was just. I was spectating Donald, and I was like, aiming up the window. Now's your chance. Grab that VSS if you want it.
Nah, I got the 2x on this. It'll do more damage. There's somebody right to our due west. Running right.
Westward.
Can't see him because the
Right.
tanks are in the way.
Oh,
Alright, we should move.
yeah, 20 seconds. You got a point.
Say,
Up.
that hole right there is a good spot to drop down in,
Yeah.
Jeremy.
Up down the
Is-
hole.
I'm
Then
gonna
you
run
can,
this
you
way
know.
and go up the hill.
Drop down and cover at least. To get down to the ground.
Never mind, I can't run up the hill. Going. Shots to my right.
Well, I should have just gone this way.
We ever check this building? Finds 8x.
Go, go, go. The blue is right behind you.
Oh. Wonder if there's anyone up there. Oh,
This is the perfect place for nobody to throw a frag grenade. Right, right.
yeah.
I don't see anybody.
They're all up on the hill.
Yeah.
That's behind you guys at the moment. As Donald goes outside to get shot at.
What is that piddly little sound? Pip, 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 pip.
Oh.
Great, now they know where we are.
Yeah.
Jeremy, I am scared.
I know.
As he stands up in front of the wall.
Trying to get a better view of something. I think it was that crow up there.
And then a couple people knocked out, 3 people knocked out by one dude.
They're gonna start
He
coming in
even
towards
knocked
here.
out my autism is severe. And that guy was autistic.
How rude. Gonna try
Oh,
and peek over
he's
this.
not killed.
No, I'm coming in
You
here because
could
they're gonna be coming from behind us most likely.
Yeah, you could stop leaving the house.
Please drink in our
Thought I
feet.
saw
Someone died outside the play zone.
Woo!
Down to 7.
6.
Oh,
Yeah, they're coming behind you guys.
We didn't make up our mind which way we're watching.
Yeah, one of you's got to watch one way.
You watch that corner.
yeah, somebody's up on that thing running down the stairs. I
Where?
can't see him, but I can hear him. You're probably not going to be able to see him.
Where are there people?
He's probably going to wait to get down from there until it actually pushes him in.
Yeah,
Because he's got a good view.
we're just barely. You want to run to that? I'd probably. Oh, someone in that shack.
Ooh.
He's not aware of us. He's in the right corner.
The guy above you is shooting at him as
Yeah, so that'll be a perfect chance to pop at him.
12 seconds before the blue moves.
Come on, peek your head back out, bastard.
he's not gonna move until he has to.
Did you throw that?
No, that was the guy above you. Remember?
Careful, Jeremy.
Like, where else am I going to go, dude?
There's two guys over there.
Where?
That shack. Behind you, Jeremy.
Oh, God. I thought you had that angle.
I was
Covered.
switching weapons. So us and the three people in that shack. Behind us.
Where?
Dead.
Oh, yeah, it's just us and one
Good.
person left. Shoot. Well, I guess I'm not going to get a kill.
Jesus Christ.
I'll be bait.
I don't think they're in that shack. Yeah, they are.
Why didn't
Donald,
you
what
use
are you
my
doing?
bait? He's so exposed.
Where is he?
He went.
Behind
He's
the
from the backside.
shack. Yes.
Nice.
Woo!
Good job.
7 kills. You're welcome.
0 kills.
Fucking, I had 0 kills as well. 9 hit points.
Donald, are
Oh.
your shoulders tired
They are.
from carrying?